Hi guys, I quickly want to show you how to upload your project from Pycharm to GitHub using the Windows command window in Pycharm itself. Now first thing you want to do is you need to have Git installed. Go over to git-scm.com and you'll see it right here on the right, the latest source release. Download that. Once you've downloaded, run the installer. There's one setting that's important there is run git from the Windows command prompt. That will add it to your path variable so you don't have to worry about that. Now, once you've done that, go over to your GitHub account, go over to your repositories, and then add a new repository with your project name or whatever you want to call it there. Now, I'm just going to add mine repository, repos, and then give us a short description of whatever it does. I'm just going to say example and initialize it with a README. Now, if you're not that worried about the license, if you want people to use your software, instead use the MIT license and add .gitignore. Choose Python. It doesn't copy the virtual environment, so there's a few thousand files there, so it just makes cloning it that much easier, and it's really unnecessary. So then you create the repository. After creating this repository, you need to go to here's the repository, go to Pycharm. And that's it. Now you can start running Git commands from here. I'm in my project, say this was your project folder. I'm in the project folder now. And then you just do the following: git clone https github.com. And then here you need to enter your user profile of GitHub. And here after that / you enter your repository name with repos.git in my case. Now it's cloning it, and if it's done cloning it, you'll see it added here to the left hand side. There it is. Now that is actually a reflection of what's on there on GitHub. That's it. Now you take all your files. As you can see, we only have the example tiers now, but just take all your files and add it to that repository in the same order as you have it on your file. So this repository should have actually been called GitHub example, but I just called it repos, so it's fine. Just take note of that. Just cut this or copy this, don't worry, it won't delete it, and paste it. And that's it. Once all your files and all your folders are in that cloned repository, you need to enter the next commands. The following commands, which is git add -a. Now this will just make sure everyone of the examples is there. Now, not a Git repository. Oh, you need to maneuver or go into your repository, into your GitHub repository. Now, once you're in your repository, you can run that command: git add -a. That's it. All files and folders are added there, ready to go. And then you say git commit -m with a little message. I'll say first push to GitHub. That's it. First push to GitHub. It will add all the files, all the folders there. And then you just say git push origin master. And that will push your project onto GitHub, you guys. So you can keep adding files like this as you change them or do whatever. You just repeat these steps and keep pushing your files onto GitHub. Now I'm just going to wait for this to finish. It shouldn't take that long. Okay, that's done. Now if you go back to GitHub, there's these three files, you refresh, you'll see all your new files and folders are added here. That's it. So that's it, you guys. That's how you upload your project to GitHub using Windows command window with Pycharm. Thanks a lot. I hope this helps. Have a great day.